Hey, good Sunday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather Update for this Sunday, August the 18th, 2013. A beautiful day across eastern North Carolina. We saw a few light showers here and there, but I think as we head into tonight, another wave of low pressure moves up the boundary. And we get another round of showers and thunderstorms in here to start off the work week. Let's get you through that and also get you a check of the rest of the forecast here in the ENC Weather Update video. Here's a look at current temperatures as we're doing this at 7 o'clock this evening. 82 degrees in Greenville, 84 for Washington. We've been as high as 90 degrees at Richlands this afternoon. You're currently at 86 down in Jacksonville, 87 currently for New Bern, 81 degrees currently for Morehead City. Dew points all in the low 70s this afternoon, and that puts us into the oppressive to miserable category out there. With our muggy meter. Let's go ahead and talk about what's going on right now. We have the exiting low pressure system right through here. That's the one that brought us the dry air this afternoon, the stationary boundary here. And another wave of low pressure making its way up from the Gulf of Mexico. It's currently sitting right in through here. It's going to be making its way off towards the north as we head through the overnight hours tonight. And to start off your Monday as well, you have the Bermuda High well offshore still, and it's still pumping in moisture from the south and the east. And then we have our other area that is pumping in moisture as well. That's down into the Gulf of Mexico at this point. So we'll take you down there. Here's what we've been watching the last several days. It's been this Gulf low that we thought was possibly going to become a tropical system over the last several days, but did not materialize into such. It was being sheared off in the upper atmosphere, and what it did basically was take all the moisture associated with it and just stream it up towards the north and the east along that stationary boundary. So that's why we've been seeing these waves of low pressure across eastern North Carolina the last several days, and that's kept us unsettled. But as I said last night in the update video, as this continues to make its way off towards the west, it's going to take the moisture plume with it as well, gradually further to the west. I think tomorrow may be the last real good wave that we get in here, as the boundary looks like it will start to diffuse as we head into heading in towards the first portion of the week. So we still have the tropical moisture moving up from the south and the west. We have the boundary still laid across the area. Here's our next wave of low pressure that moves in here through tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. Scattered showers and thunderstorms expected, and a mixture of clouds and sun. I think we'll have to deal with a little bit more weight in the cloud cover department for tomorrow, but you will see waves of sunshine as well. Here's a look at the precision forecast model taking you through this evening. Partly cloudy to start, then the clouds really build in through the overnight hours. The wave makes its way towards us in a very moist environment. We're going to have that chance for showers and thunderstorms to crop up by tomorrow morning. So not everybody's going to be getting wet tomorrow morning, but there will be that chance, especially for our southern areas, to see some showers, and also possibly for our western areas. That's where the good plume of moisture is going to be for tomorrow. This is going to be mainly along the boundary. Then as we head into tomorrow, as the boundary shifts a little further to the north along that low pressure system, that's going to fire up the showers and thunderstorms once again. So by 3 p.m., temperatures should warm up low to mid 80s tomorrow. It's got Jacksonville and some drier air by tomorrow afternoon. We may see some sunshine. That's why I'm saying a mixture of clouds and sun, but a good portion of the day is going to be spent in the clouds. Temperatures, like I said, low to mid 80s. You got Greenville here at 74. That's because it's got a shower running over it here on the model. So that's what it's depicting that as. But I still think that most of us, like I said, low to mid 80s tomorrow afternoon. A few peaks of sunshine through the afternoon hours. They'll reinvigorate the atmosphere once again for a few showers and thunderstorms. Not expecting any severe weather, but any one of these downpours, we've got so much moisture in the atmosphere, could put down some heavy downpours, some gusty winds, and lightning with that as well. Here's a look at the long-range precision forecast taking you through the next couple of days. We'll take you through Tuesday morning, and we'll start off with some clouds. And another wave of low pressure makes its way off towards the north, but I think it stays just to our west on Tuesday. But as we head through the afternoon hours, the clouds start to break up, and we'll see a little bit more sunshine, and also that chance for showers and thunderstorms. We'll go into Wednesday morning. Another wave moves up towards the north, and that's as the boundary makes its way north of the viewing area. We'll start off with clouds, and then some sunshine peeks through the afternoon hours. We'll have still the sea breeze boundary to deal with as we head into the next couple of days. That's another focal mechanism, but as the boundary makes its way to the north, over the next couple of days, it'll diffuse itself as well. So the focal mechanism for these showers and thunderstorms will start to go away. But with all the boundaries still in place, residual outflow boundaries from several days ago. If you don't know that outflow boundaries can stay around in the atmosphere for several days on end and be triggering mechanisms for showers and thunderstorms. And on top of that, the sea breeze boundary that we get very commonly during the afternoon hours, it's going to help to trigger these showers and thunderstorms. But I think by at least Wednesday, we get to more of a summertime type pattern as far as things are concerned. And once again, by Thursday morning, we get another round of clouds in the morning, then some sunshine through the afternoon hours, and then that chance for showers and thunderstorms as well. Looking at the tropical satellite, post-tropical cyclone Aaron, 20.4 north, 39.8 west, 35-mile-an-hour winds moving west at 8 miles per hour. That's the last advisory from the National Hurricane Center, and they are saying that is going to be the last advisory on Aaron. You couldn't even see it on satellite imagery today. All right, and we do have another wave moving off the African coast. Has a 10% probability of forming into something over the next several days. Here's our 7-day forecast. More clouds and sun for your Monday. We'll go with 83. I bumped down the temperatures just a touch for Monday. It does look like that. It doesn't look like we're going to warm up all as much, but there will be a few areas that see enough sunshine that may be able to pop up closer to 86, 87 degrees tomorrow afternoon. Rain chances start to decrease. Boundary lifts northward on Tuesday, diffuses through Tuesday, and also for Wednesday, rain chances start to decrease. Temperatures go up as well. We'll be up to 86 for both Tuesday and Wednesday, 88 for Thursday. We'll hit 90 by Friday. But I will say this, there is a little discrepancy here. Heights do start to come down as we head towards the latter half of the week because there's another disturbance that's going to roll through in the flow pattern in the upper atmosphere through the latter half of the week. Temperatures may not respond all that greatly on Thursday and Friday. We'll mess around with the temperatures when we get there. Just the models are a little bit uncertain in the long-range pattern for the next several days, and then we fall off again as we head towards Saturday and Sunday, but still a chance for showers and thunderstorms each and every day. It won't rain all day, but when it does, be ready for a gusty storm or a heavy downpours and lightning with these as well. That'll do it for me here on the ENC Weather Update. You can stay up to date with us on Facebook as well as Twitter and on WNCT.com. Next update here on the video side will be on Wednesday afternoon, and we'll also keep you up to date on the television side. Dante Jones in tomorrow morning for Morning Edition. Chief Meteorologist David Sawyer will be in tomorrow afternoon. All right, have a great rest of your evening, a great weather week coming up here as we get back into the swing of things.